Hello team, this is a video that will demonstrate about this product, this software that is going to help us analyze different offers we have. Since we market for different offers, this uses the same tools that we talked about. A AI agent which is Claude in here right now, we can replace that with ChatGPT, and Exa for research, and web scraper tool which is Appify. So I have placed the tokens here. It is designed in such a way that you place it once, the next time you lose the whole interface, they would be automatically filled. So let's test out these test offers, demo offers I have for this. uh, I was working over the whole logic, but that is not complete yet. But these are the things that are currently working. So I still need to fix some logics in that are in the pipeline. Yeah, so let's test this out. So the offer is loaded, and we click on search. All right, so that is loaded. Now run research. So it's going to start research. Yes, so I figured out that there are going to be some errors most of the time, like their credits might run out as far as their Anthropic server keys, API keys are concerned, or any other platform. Uh, Appify free module usually covers that. There's no need of that, and same for Exa. But I figured out that there are gonna be errors in that, so I made this pipeline assistant. Like this completed the first three steps, and when it was on the fourth one, then this happened. Like the credits ran out for the crawler, which is Appify. Um, yeah, so we can actually chat with that. Like we can skip this or provide it the information it needs or things like that. Like we can actually go over the platforms like this one. It even tells us that the platform that is trying to use is not ideal for, like, it has the whole brain in here. So as it says, Reddit is not ideal for this niche, we can skip this. Yes, so it ran the whole pipeline and gave us the exactive summary of that. You can see about, like, it gives everything about it. So it scrapped 23 domains and 20 posts across 12 subreddit, and yeah, this gives all the information, and this tab over here gives the direct competitors that this brand has. And as far as the audience is concerned, it gives our audience a whole audience insights and the research and the pain points of the audience and a solution and the hooks to be used in marketing and positioning angles, the angles we can position the brand, and that is going to work out according to research, and that's working, and things working out for the competitors, and some ad briefs. You see everything is given out, like the ad hooks, the headlines, the body copy, and call to actions, target audience, campaign structures, tone by which we can connect with the audience, and the prompts to give to the AI agent to make the whole ad for us, and estimated CTR. So this is, everything here is legit, because this is not an AI agent working. It's also using web scrapers and Exa search, and that is scrapping Facebook ads library and other libraries of the competitors and their average metrics. So yeah, so I was thinking to integrate Canva into this, but that is not done yet, since there are some limitations to that. Like Canva doesn't support a public access token, and that can be accessed This is a video on how I use Claude Code inside my terminal. So I was asked to use Codex. I was asked to use Codex inside VS Code, but Codex requires a paid subscription of ChatGPT, which I don't have. So I had the Claude one, and so I thought I would show you how I use it for coding inside my terminal. So basically it is very similar to using Codex inside VS Code. So yeah, just an overview. Yeah, so this was what I was talking about. Like, I was thinking to integrate Canva into this, but that does not give a public access token, but that can be requested from this link, and that can be used here, and then everything would be designed in Canva according to their whole branding features and all their effects and all their elements they have. So that is achievable. We can also use alternatives to Canva. So my main issue, like, I have tested this out a lot of times. Probably that's the reason my credits are out, as you saw over here. So this is something that is live and working right now, and I just did the whole test right now. We can actually go for any offer right now and just place the link here, and it will scrap the data and everything. So there are certain logics that is making this a bit slow, that is used at the backend coding. Like, it took around 12 minutes to make this whole thing. So I'm trying to make this faster, like within 2 minutes, and I was able to achieve that, but some errors popped into the other things. So I'm still fixing that. My goal is to make this within 2 minutes, everything within 2 minutes, and a lot of logics and the way the tool works, the way it uses these integrated tools and their logic, everything. Like I have been working on that for 36 hours, I guess. So, but yeah, the tool is working, it's live, and is actually scraping out data and scraping out ads, competitors, and all the things about it. So this is the brief view that we can use in our current software, and this would probably increase our return on ad spend and return on investment upon different offers, since we are not starting by an idea, we are starting with facts and figures already proven in the market. Yeah, so really excited to get your viewpoints on this. So I'm not actually a AI software developer, but yeah, I can develop like softwares like these. And I'm moving into machine learning as well. And I've been working on Google Ads, Meta Ads, and TikTok as well. And I just worked on Meta Ads right now, over different offers as far as Max Bounty were concerned. Max Bounty, about Max Bounty, the budgets were utilized in finalizing a workflow that works the best, and a pixel in, like, warming up a pixel in such a way that each offer gives out the maximum output. So that was also complete till 75%. There were still some things